Hi, my name is Luis de Jesus and I'm the Vice President for CENTRY AIR Design, your full-service air-conditioned company. Today we're going to talk about efficiency, high-efficiency units. A high-efficient unit, according to the Department of Energy of the United States, must be a minimum of 13 energy efficiency ratio to a 16 seasonal energy efficiency ratio. A high-efficiency unit, 16 SEER or above 16 SEER, will save you up to 50% on your electric bill. Our recommendation, if your unit is 10 years or older, please replace that unit because you're wasting your money in electric bill and repairs. So, if you need a new high-efficiency central air condition, please call CENTRY AIR Design, your full-service air conditioning company, at 305-458-5022.